without self-confidence is like a small boat drifting endlessly in a giant river. No direction, no control, no destination. You may be intelligent, talented, or even brilliant, but if fear controls your voice, if shyness controls your actions, if doubt controls your dreams, then your true potential remains locked forever. Millions of people live their lives silently, hiding their abilities behind fear, afraid to speak, afraid to be seen, afraid to fail. But today's story isn't just a story. It is the turning point you have been waiting for. Stay with me until the end. One lesson, one idea, one moment could transform your life forever. In a busy city lived a hardworking businessman who earned his living by selling sacks of salt. His family was small but loving, his wife and 2 sons. The younger son was confident, lively, and fearless, but the elder son was painfully shy. He hesitated to speak, avoided eye contact, and froze whenever someone asked him a question. People misunderstood him. They called him slow, foolish, weak. Some even took advantage of his simplicity, yet he never complained. His father, however, was deeply disappointed. "Why don't you speak properly? Why are you scared of everything?" The harsh words crushed the boy's confidence day by day. At school, fear paralyzed him. He knew the answers but couldn't write them in exams. His hands trembled. His mind went blank. Slowly, he started falling behind, and so the seed of fear grew deeper inside him. When the boy grew older, his father asked him to help in the shop. The boy agreed, not because he wanted to help, but because he was terrified of disappointing his father. He started working, but speaking to customers was a nightmare. Words stuck in his throat. His voice cracked. He made small mistakes, clumsy mistakes, mistakes that made his father even angrier. Fear destroyed him from inside. One afternoon, when the father wasn't there, some cunning men entered the shop. They lied. "Your father sent us. We need all the salt sacks for the city." The boy's heart pounded. He wanted to question them, but fear sealed his lips. He simply nodded. They took everything. When his father returned, he saw the empty shop. His eyes burned with rage. "You useless boy. You destroyed everything. Get out, never come back." Those words stabbed deep into the boy's heart. The boy walked toward the riverbank. Every insult, every failure, every moment of fear flashed before his eyes. "I'm worthless. I'm a burden. I don't deserve to live." With trembling steps, he moved closer to the edge. But just as he leaned forward, a firm hand grabbed his arm. It was an old man. "Why did you save me?" the boy cried. "My life has no meaning." The old man softly replied, "My child, life is precious. You can rise again. You can change everything. But if you give up now, you will never know what you are capable of." The boy's voice cracked. "I'm shy, weak, uneducated. Even my father hates me." The old man's eyes sharpened. "Come with me," he said. "I will answer your question only if you follow me for 3 days. Task 1. Speak to strangers." The first morning, the old man said, "Today, speak to 10 strangers. Ask about their lives. Write down everything." The boy's heart raced. Approaching people felt like climbing a mountain. Some ignored him. Some laughed. But he kept trying. By evening, he had spoken to 10 people. And for the first time, he felt a spark of courage. Task 2. Teach the children. On the second day, the old man said, "Teach 10 children why water is important." The boy panicked. "But I'm not educated." The old man smiled. "They don't know that. Just teach what you know." With shaking hands, he stood before the children and began explaining. 5 simple points, 5 simple sentences. But those few minutes changed everything. He had spoken. He had taught. He had succeeded. Fear started melting away. Task 3. Face the father. On the third day, the old man said, "Go to your father, apologize, speak your truth." The boy froze. "My father will never forgive me." "Courage," the old man replied, "is not the absence of fear. It is the decision to act in spite of it." Gathering every ounce of strength, the boy returned home. He apologized. He promised to improve. And for the first time in years, his father saw something new in his eyes. Confidence. The young man rushed back to the old man. "Please tell me the secret of success." The wise man smiled. "My son, you already learned it. Your enemy was never shyness. Your enemy was fear. People see you the way you present yourself. If you show confidence, the world will believe in you. Years passed. The once shy boy became a respected businessman. Smart, bold, and confident. The city that once mocked him now admired him. His life changed because he dared to take small steps, dared to face fear, dared to grow. Confidence is not something you are born with. It is something you build, step by step. Fear and doubt hold you like chains, but courage and action break them. Remember, the world treats you the way you treat yourself. So believe in yourself. Speak up, take action, take small steps daily, and you will discover a strength inside you that you never knew existed. If this story touched your heart, give it a like. Leave a comment so more people can see it, and subscribe for more inspiring stories. Until then, stay patient, stay grateful, and keep moving forward.